Have you suffered from lagging when it comes to live streaming, especially to those who use phone for live streaming? Maybe you're using Droid Cam, IV Cam, Irion, and then you are experiencing lagging. This might be a way out for you. Let's check this out and see how this app works. To your Play Store, click and then type High Vision Play Pro. So this is it. This is the software you install. I've already installed mine, so no need of installing. So quickly I'll press on open. So when it comes to the software here, this is the environment, and then put to these three buttons here. Then the third option, manage services, click on it. You will see add. Click on this add. Then you select this second option, local lineup. Click on it. Just type a nickname, any name that you like to use. Let me just use DIY with Panshark. So select any icon, then next. That's all. Then you click on this. Now I've created a channel, DIY with Panshark. See the name here, by this is the name. So I'll add a channel. Click on the channel. So this is where we'll make changes that will affect our live stream. Right? Instead of play, you come to stream. After clicking on stream, it will come out with these options. So it has given your video bitrate, your audio bitrate, your resolution, your frame. So you might, if you want to make changes, you can make changes. So this is your video bitrate, but for now, let us just allow it like this. Your audio bitrate, let me go to the highest, 256. Then my resolution, I'll go to HD 1080. Then my frame per second, this gives you only 30 frames per second as the highest. It's not up to 60 frames per second, so you can use the 30 frames per second. So instead, don't use this HEVC, use this H.264. and then for this protocol, now we're using SRT. And for those who use vmix, you discover that on one of the options when you are adding, you discover that there's a place that's written SRT. So that's what we are going to use to transmit our signal to our vmix. So leave it at listener. Then it has generated a local address, that's an IP address for us automatically. The port number, leave it the way it is. When you're done with this, just press add, and you discover that something has appeared here. So I'll just click and go back. See, this is how it will appear after I'm done. Okay, so this is us on vmix, and then you make sure that your phone and then your laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi, as we all know. So you come to add it input. After clicking, you come to this stream SRT. Click on it so you can see. If you remember what I told you to click on the software was listener. There's a place you wrote listener. So when we come to this, we're not selecting listener, we're putting this SRT to be the caller. So our phone will be the listener. Then this what do they call this, our PC here will be our caller. Then this hot name, this is where you impute the IP address that was generated. So let's go back to our this thing and then create and check the IP address. Let's check for our IP address. You just come to these three dots, manage services, the same way that we did DIY. Click on it, move, then you go down. So it is 192.168, not 168, then .0.90. Right? So everything is here. So if you discover my port number is reading 5,000 automatically, so let's leave it this way. So then let's just press OK. So you discover this is how it will come out. And so let me go back to the app and then we'll see how it appears. When you come to the app, you just click on this box you are seeing. Automatically you discover that it will open. So you see I'm viewing my vmix. Then I'll click on this preview. The moment I click on this preview, it will write streaming, and then automatically see it has appeared on my screen on the vmix. So I believe you can hear me. You should off this. Always not forget, off this mic. If not, it will affect your live stream. So as you can see, I'm already live. And then, believe you me, you will not experience lagging. If you should experience lagging, it will be very, very minimal. It will be very, very minimal. But this will give you a smooth out live stream from beginning to the end. The only challenge I've observed with it is, of which I'm hoping that I'll look into this app the more to see, it's that your audio and then your video will not, it's not synchronizing that well. I think the video is lagging behind with some milliseconds, of which I'll try to look for a solution and then fix that. But it is manageable. You can manage it throughout the service or throughout your program. So I think with this you will enjoy your live stream. Thank you.